गुड इवनिंग. आज लायव्ह येवपाक रिजन म्हळ्यार एक टॅक्सी इशू आला पण लायव्ह येयला. सो मातशें रावया, सगळ्यांक जॉयन जायन दी. आयचो इशू आहा तो सारको एक आमच्या गोंया प्रॉब्लम जाता कितें ती, एंड देर इज अ सिंपल सोल्युशन फॉर ऑल दीस प्रॉब्लम्स. आनी ही प्रॉब्लम्स जाताय कित्याक तेजेरूय मातशें फोकस करपा जाय आसता पयलें. सो आतां आमगे गोंया पयलीं आतां टॅक्सी चलताली. सो टॅक्सी चलताली तशीच करून आतां दुसरी टॅक्सी सर्विसीस येयल्यो, गोवा मायल्स येयले. आनी वर्ल्ड इज मुवींग, सो गोवा मायल्स ऑल्सो वेरी गूड बेनिफिशियल फॉर द पिपल. आतां गोवा मायल्सान रेडिओ टॅक्सीन जायतें बरें जालें. बट एट द सेम टायम थिंग जायतीं प्रॉब्लम जालें. कितें आमकां हॉटेलार टॅक्सी लायलो आसलोली आमगे टॅक्सी भावांनी, तेंकांय तेंगेले चार्जीस बा पे कोन्न लोन काड ते जायत काडले. सो आतां कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इशू जाला, इंट्रस्ट जाला. सो टॅक्सीवाले आहाय ते आनी गोवा मायल्स. सो आतां काल तुमकां गोडे खबर आसतली केस्तांव जाली गोवा मायल्स आनी नॉर्मल टॅक्सी बारांबोडे. सो हे इशू कोणाचे गुन्यांव आहा म्हणून जायना. आतां प्रॉब्लम कितें जाला, पीपल डोंट हॅव इनफ मनी. तेंगे जॉबाक लागून प्रॉब्लम जाला. कोण टॅक्सी चलयताले तांकां भाडी नाय, उण नाय, मनीस ना, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो लुजींग द कस्टमर्स टू गोवा मायल्स. आतां हेजे मेन सोल्युशन आमी वर्कआउट कोना जाल्यार आमगेले आवर ओन पीपल वील बी फायटींग एगेन्स्ट ईच अदर. सो एक आय वॉज वर्किंग ऑन इट, एंड हे प्रॉब्लम व्हडलें ना. हे प्रॉब्लम आमी इजिली सॉल्व करपाक शकताय. बट हे प्रॉब्लम केन्ना सॉल्व जातलें, जेन्ना आमी सगळे युनायटेड म्हणटरी आमगेलें हें प्रॉब्लम सगळें सारकें सॉल्व जातलें. सो हांवें आतां जायत जाणां फोन मारले, टॅक्सीवाले आहाय तांकां जायत जाणां फोन मारले. सो लॉट ऑफ टॅक्सी पीपल, गोवा मायल्स, people who are not Goa miles also, people who are self taxis. So all these people they were having a lot of issue with the COVID situation and lack of tourists, lack of rides. So they have to pay their charges, whatever they have to pay. They have to pay their EMIs, they have to take care of their house, they have to run everything smoothly for their family. So what can we do to make their life better? So if anyone is having any suggestions, please do post the suggestions, and we can, I'll come back to them. So at one point now I've made around so many calls, and I've heard around almost, I think, 25 people, plus there are another more than 70 people directly addressed to. So इश्यू म्हळ्यार आमी सॉल्व कोतले तें जाल्यार दोनी सायडीन चोवपा पडटा. वी हॅव टू सी द गोवा मायल्स पीपल, तेय आमगेले तेंगलेय चोवपा पडटा, एंड एट द सेम टायम वी हॅव टू लूक इन टू द मॅटर वे आवर टॅक्सी ब्रदर्स ऑल्सो ते हू आर नॉट गोवा मायल्स. सी गोवा मायल्साचे आमचे वन सेकंड सायलंट करता. So our non-taxi who had joined, they had their grievances which was never worked upon. कित्याक कितें कसलें प्रॉब्लम आसा जाल्यार तेजेर वर्क करपा जाय आसता. तें वर्किंग केन्ना जावूं ना टॅक्सी वाल्यांक बरें. सो कितें जालां, आतां हांवें आतां जायत जाणांको उलयलो म्हणटरी एक आतां सोल्युशन मेळ्ळा फायनली. बट टू पुट द सोल्युशनाचें एक मेन रूट कॉज आहा तो आयडेंटिफाय करपाक जायो. आनी रूट कॉज आहा तो हांवें आतां आयडेंटिफाय केला. सो द इशू इज, इफ एनीवन हॅज युज्ड अ गोवा मायल्स टॅक्सी, तुमकां नोट जालां आसतलें, नोट करपाक मेळटलें तुमकां गोवा मायल्स टॅक्सीचे कितले, हाऊ मेनी पीपल have taken Goa miles, will realize that it's a very good and very smooth service. But who is actually benefiting from this very smooth service is a question that everyone needs to address to. One second. See, कोणा बेनिफिट जाता तो चोवपा जायो. आतां गोवा मायल्स टॅक्सी पडे आसा ते दे चार्ज एनीथींग फ्रॉम अराउंड 26 to 34, if I'm not mistaken. Plus it's a little complicated process because minutes are also added. But drivers get paid only 18 rupees 0.50 paisa starting for a hatchback. So are there benefit hoitai konaku? Where are these benefit going? Why are we having the taxi problem? See, what is the need for such a high amount to be charged from the taxi guys is what I'm not understanding. So आता taxi वाल्यान taxi मुनिसा तांकां उलयलां, and I have come to a conclusion that we don't understand how to deal with our problems. So I will explain the problem now. What is there? Let me just give me a second. So Goa Miles it's a company, it's a private limited company. So it is registered in Fonta Miles Private Limited. Now, who are the shareholders of Goa Miles? So this question is, not many people know about it. Goa Miles is owned 65% of the sharehold belongs to Pizza Software Private Limited. So where is this company Pizza Solution from? This company is based in Pune. So what happens? What was the need for the Goa government to bring in a company from Pune to do this? Who is actually benefiting from this? This Pizza Solution Private Limited company, which is Pune based. So that means 65% of our revenue, which comes from which is generated through the taxi Goa Miles, is directly going to Pune. So yes, सगळे आता पुणे वयताय जाल्यार हे बेनिफीट कोणाक गेलो स्टेटीचो? आमगे गोंयचे स्टेटीन ट्युरिजम आमगे गोंया जाता, ट्युरिस्ट येताय गोंयांत, टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर्स whoever are there, even Goa Miles they are working very hard day and night, and still the benefit goes where? It goes to Pune. So 65% benefits जाता पुणे वयता. आता next, the other shareholder Parashar Paikot is from Fatorda. He is running their call center. So he is having a stake of 16%. 16% गोंयांक येयले आता stake, आणि 65% Pune. Now the third shareholder Santosh Patil, he is from Thane, Mumbai, 11% stake. 65 plus 11 is 76% stake. Then you have 8% stake to Tapan Acharya, to काणकोणचो. So आता आमी कित करपाचें हे पॉइंटाक? Why can't the government of Goa understand that today there was a fight between different taxi people? Now fight म्हण जाल्यार हिंगा एडी मारले, ते मारले, एकमुखेल्या मारले, ते कांय सॉल्व जावपाना. So we have to make sure that these kind of incidents don't happen again. इसलिए आमकां झगडी बगडी हांगकडे जावपा नाका. आमचे गोंय हें आसोना झगडी करपाचें, मोड फोड करपाचें, हें आमगे गोंय आसोना पयलें. सो हें आजी कित्याक जाता मोड फोडू? कित्याक हेंकां पर्संटेज आहा ती सुबेज जाल्या. गोवा मायल्स आनी आमगे टॅक्सीवाले तांकां जॉयन कित्याक जालें ना? कित्याक इतलें ही कमिशनां हे घेताले म्हणून, आनी हे इतलीं कमिशनां 8 रुपया किलोमिटरार तुमी घेताय. हालीं एक गोवा मायल्स मेंटेन करपाक 8 रुपया, 8 rupees. That comes to lakhs and crores of rupees that you all are making on the taxi drivers. So government has given this name Goa Miles. Now what is the Goa government benefiting from Goa Miles? The government is only making sure that 65% of the revenue generated by Goa tourism in the name of Goa Miles is going out of Goa. That money will not be rotating in the Goan market. बिकॉज इट्स ऑलरेडी गॉन टू पुना. आतां ही मोनोपोली कित्याक वयसली गोवा मायल्साची. आनी गोवा मायल्स म्हळ्यार ते टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर आहाय तेंकांय प्रॉब्लेम कोताय. ते ओन काम कोताय तेंकां तुम्ही 22 रुपयान स्टार्ट केलो मरे गोवा मायल्स. So please Goa Miles people explain why you all have reduced from 22 rupees you all have come to 18 rupees and you all are charging the person how much 20 28 32 34. This benefit belongs to the people of Goa. हे गोंयकारांचे benefit हे गोंयच पयशे तुम गोंयच भायर घाता हे problem जाला. The problem that has happened is we should not target these small fries. These small people who we are targeting are the actually it doesn't matter. ते बारीक काम करता तेंकां न्हू. हे गोवा मायल्स गोंयचे पयशे गोंयचे भायर धाडटा आनी गोंयकारां मेळना. हांव म्हणटा टॅक्सी जॉब आहा टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरा तर 26 रुपीज तर चार्ज जाता. 25 रुपीज टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरा वचपा जाय. 25 rupees from per kilometer should go to the taxi driver and 1 rupee should remain for the person who's operating it. तुमकां 8 रुपया कित्याक जाय. तुमकां जायना गोवा मायल्साको जायना ते. इफ इट इज 25 rupees even the other taxi people will come on board. दुसरे टॅक्सी आहाय तेही काडले गोवा मायल्सा जॉइन जातले सगळे गोवा मायल्सा जॉइन जातासले आनी गोवा मायल्स वूड हॅव दीस टुडे हे तकली बोकली फोन घेवपाचे इश्यूज आपण आसलोले. हे चोवपा आतां तकली फोटाय हाल कोणा मातले कोणा कितें जातलें तें कांय कळपाचें ना. सो वॉट आय एम सेइंग इज आतां गोवा मायल्सा कडेन हांव विचारपा सोदतां तुमकां 26 तुमची हितुली स्टेक तुमकां एक प्रशार म्हणटा आहा तेका तूं घेता कितली स्टेक आहा 16% तुगे स्टेक आहा. 16% स्टेक केल तुवें आनी तूं रान कोता. हें आतां तूं रान करता तें बरें आसा. तूं आतां आमकां सांग तूं हें सेम रान करपा रेडी आसा 1 रुपया घेवन न्हू. गोवा मायल्स 26 रुपीज तुम्ही गव्हर्मेंट तुम चार्ज कराय कस्टमरा. 25 रुपीज ऑल गिव टू द ड्रायव्हर. तुमकां जाता हॅचबॅक मागीर ते 28 तुम 32 चार्ज कोताय थिंगा 31 1 रुपी धरून दोन कोताय तुमी बिजनस जाल्यार कराय बिजनस न्हू. तेय जॉइन जातले तुमकां आनी मार फोड जावपा ना. हें तुमकां करपा नाका. हें तुम कित्याक करपा नाका कित्याक तुम गोवा मायल्स लॉन्च करता आसतना क्रोरान पयशे दिवपा पडले आसतले. सो आतां टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरां पॅन्डेमिकाक तुम केसो असिस्टन्स दिलें. गव्हर्मेंटान असिस्टन्स कांय दिलें ना. दे हॅव स्ट्रगल्ड फॉर देयर लिव्हिंग when there was a lockdown. तुम्ही एटलीस्ट गोवा मायल्स should have taken care of it since you all are making so much money. तुमकां एक ड्रायव्हरा 5,000 देखून दिवपा जावं नाय तुमकोडे. पूण त्याच ड्रायव्हरांचे तुमकोडे 8 रुपीज पर किलोमीटर तुमकां करूं जाला. सो दॅट मिन्स आवर टॅक्सी पीपल who didn't want to join initially गोवा मायल्स were right. सो आतां मुगे भाशेन कितें तुमकोडे जाता गोवा मायल्साचेर ते हेरूय मनशां तुमी घेयाय. गव्हर्मेंट प्रमोद सावंत यू कॅन नेवर डू एनीथिंग रायट. You don't have the capabilities to lead Goa. So now I am taking a lead and I am asking you, as a CM, intervene and solve the matter. If you cannot solve the matter, leave it. I will solve the matter. I will take care of these taxi people's issues. And I am going on record right now saying I will solve the issue. Till today, whatever issues I have taken, I have done my best and I have solved those issues. Now today, I am taking an issue to solve the matter of the taxi people. Because we need to help our taxi people who are struggling day by day. We have to make them a pension plan system. We have to tomorrow make sure that when they cannot drive anymore, there should be a system put in place where they get certain amount of money. If the government cannot do it, let the company that is employing them do it. As long as the company is functioning. गोवा मायल्सा ही आतां मुगेली चॅलेंज. तुमकडे जाता गोवा मायल्स रान कराय 1 रुपयान 1 rupee कमिशन. द रनिंग कॉस्ट इज नॉट सो मच. इट कॅन बी द रनिंग कॉस्ट इज नॉट सो मच. So if it is a government app, it should be 1. and government is not having any stake in this. So the government is just to collect GST and the service charges. तुम्ही आमकां गोंयकारां सगळे तर काबार करून उडयले मरे. अरे हिंग गोंया पयशे उरनाय कित्याक तुमी हे ओपन प्रायवेटायज केलें सगळें प्रायवेटायज केलां बीजेपीन. हे प्रायवेटायज करून 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 हे पयशे आमगेले तुका टॅक्सीवाल्यांक आसले ते थिंगाय रोटेट जावपाचे. गोवा मायल्स आमकां जाय पूण गोवा मायल्स आमकां ₹1 ₹1 कॅन यू ऑल डू इट? नो. then I'll teach you all what it is. टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरान तुमकां सांगता आतां गोवा मायल्सां हें उत्कर्श, मिस्टर उत्कर्श, if you want to run the taxi business, run it at ₹1 per kilometer. Take just ₹1 percentage. This is a request to the government also. Take care of it. तुम्ही हितू ते कांय जावं ना. हे इश्यू सॉल्व जावं ना. आज तर हो इश्यू सॉल्व करी, आज मार पडला एकल्या भुरग्याक. आनी कोणाचो गुन्यांव हांव कोना मार पड म्हणजे. म्हाकाय मुगे टॅक्सी लागलोली इतली पयशे लायन आनी ते येताले मुगलें बिजनस येना जाल्यार हांवूय रोखडें करपाचो. सगळें कोताय पयशां लागून कोताय न्हू. आतां लोकांक पयशां त्रास जाल मागीर प्रॉब्लम जालो न्हू. आतां गोवमेंटा कडेन माय ओनली थिंग विथ द गोवमेंट इज इन रिगार्ड्स टू द टॅक्सी फेलोज, let there be competition. If Goa Miles is not doing it, ₹1 per kilometer on the basis of ₹1 per kilometer, I am ready to do it. Chalo, I am ready to stand with the taxi guys. I'll make sure of it. So this is straightforward to Goa Miles. Run the system with the least profits, not the amount that you all are charging from the customers. This is too much. This has crossed the limits. This is crossed limits because you all didn't take care of your drivers when they were having pandemic and all these lockdown issues. तुमकां जावं ना तें कांय दिवपाक. On top of that, you all reduced. You all took the advantage of the pandemic and you all have reduced the rates. So anyone, any suggestions, you all want to speak anything about this matter, please do post. I will take questions, how we can, make the betterment. कितकोन हे सारखे इशू सॉल्व जावपाक शकता मॅटर आमगेलो कितकोन करून जाता तें. Do if you all anyone has any questions, do ask. I will like to, I will tell you all. You all can contact me, you all can WhatsApp me and ask. And I will also, WhatsApp करे म्हाका आनी WhatsAppाचेर हांव तुमकां रिप्लाय दितलो. सो हे टॅक्सी इश्यू पळय आसा तो आमगेलो हे रेट 28 rupees from the customer and 22 rupees to the this driver. हे आनी हे चलपाना. 6-7-8 रुपया तुम जाय तशें करून टॅक्सीवाल्यांक घेताय तें जावपाना. टॅक्सी पीपल will now unite. It is time the taxi people will stop fighting among themselves and the taxi people will unite and will teach you all a lesson. The unity, the power of unity तुमकां आमी दाखयता येता. That's it. Nothing आनी कांय जावपाना. हे टॅक्सी प्रॉब्लम आमगेलें अशें करून चलतातलें. I am going to give the people an option, but first I am giving you all an option. Goa Miles तुमगे एक ऑप्शन दिता and government work, see what is the problem, make sure that you all are not charging anything more than ₹1 per kilometer. And I will make sure, I will also communicate with the various taxi owners and the leaders, to tell them, Baba, see, first of all, the cost of a kilometer is ₹5.33 per kilometer. If you calculate it at, if you calculate 80 rupees per liter petrol, it comes to ₹5.33. So at 25 rupees, we can easily work it out, and there will be good business also at 25 rupees. So ₹1 commission. Government Shikara does not want. See, Genvito, the thing is government doesn't want anything, no. It is the problem is we are not united. The moment we are united, Genvito, we will be able to make sure that the government has no chance of not listening. And this is not the problem of the government. This is the problem where how it was not managed. Manage करपा situation कळना तें problem है. So Goa Miles को जायना जाल्यार there is no problem. I will make sure that I will solve this before the 2021. I will solve the matter of the taxi people where both of them will be united. Goa Miles as well as the ones who are not Goa Miles, they will be united under one banner. And there will be no commissions like this. Just a running cost will be taken. No more commissions, running cost. Goa Miles is Goa Miles drivers are outsiders. Goa Miles drivers are outsiders. Goan हे म्हाका सारकें खबर ना कोण आहा तें. But end of the day we have to make sure the batch. If the batch is there, then that means I think they are Goans. So हे म्हाका सारकें खबर ना Ravi. But we have to unite the people of Goa, the Goa this taxi. I want to boost the Goa tourism. How it is how it is right now. We have to make sure that the major benefits of Goa tourism goes directly to the Goans, and this is the solution. Now I have asked a question. I will wait for another 2 days to see how it is going. I will also make a call to the Goa Miles owner. I will also make calls to the Goa drivers, taxi drivers, and then we will sort the matter out. They don't Ravi batch. No, they have made a batch compulsory now, I believe. Batch compulsory केला दिसता Ravi. म्हाका खबर ना. We will look into it how the batch system works and everything. So Ravi, I am expecting you to help me out with all this, and we can do a lot of good for these people, these taxi people. So you be in the north, so why don't you communicate with these people and let us work and let us get it done. I am giving you my word. I will make sure that Goa Miles, if they are not running it at 1 rupee per kilometer, I will give the same services. I will make sure of it. I will work it out. What is to be done? We need to. Genvito, see all these things I'm not worried about. What I'm worried about is how the money remains in Goa. I just want to make sure that today the market is so bad that there is no money in Goa, and the money is not there in Goa because our government has privatized everything. They have got people from Pune and elsewhere to come over here, do the business, take the money and run away from here, go away and spend the money there. That is my major problem. Whatever it is, I know that I can do this, and only I can do it with the taxi drivers and our Goans uniting against this. आणि हे जालें जाल्यार आमकां बेनिफीट येतलो. एंड इवन ड्रायव्हर्स आतां गोवा मायल्सा ड्रायव्हर्स आहाय ओ गोवा नॉर्मल ड्रायव्हर्स आहाय. कसले ड्रायव्हर्स आहाय त्या ड्रायव्हराक एक एक्सिडेंट जालो, गाडी एक्सिडेंट जालो, कितें बेनिफीट दिताय तुमी? You all are making money on them. You all can't give them some benefit like 10,000 per month. Why you all cannot give? See, when you all are making money, it is your responsibility to take care of the people who are making the money for you. And it is the responsibility of our state to take care of us. We have all these acts, disaster management, सगळे act आहे पण कोणाक आयको नाही. सगळें चार्ज कोताय, क्वारंटायन चार्ज केलें, सगळें पयशे केलें तुमी, ओन्ली मनी मनी मनी. आनी ते पयशे केले ही, ते पयशे तुमी धाडले दिल्ली, ते हॉटेल आहलोली ती ओनर्स गोंयकार आहलोले काय आसना, ते सगळे गोंयकारान पयशे ते गोंया थोडे इन ते क्वारंटायना मुळे ते गोडे एक रोस आमलेट गाड्याचे ओ से इन अ हॉटेल, इन अ रेस्टॉरंट, इन समवे दे वूड हॅव स्पेंड दॅट मनी एंड दॅट वूड हॅव रिमेन्ड इन द गोवन इकॉनॉमी. आमगे जीडीपी देंवत आहा कित्याक आमगे पयशे आहाय ते कितें सगळे आउटसायड गेले आनी काबार जाला. सारकें गोंय काबार करून उडयलां हेणी आनी आतां गोंय साल्वार करतो जाल्यार आमी. सो लेट अस वर्क टुगेदर एंड लेट अस मेक शुअर ही मॅसेज सगळ्या स्प्रेड कराय. कित्याक गोवा मायल्स तुमकां तरी बिजनसान रावपा जाय, 1 रुपया वयर तुमी चार्ज कोनाकाय, 1 रुपया भितर कोराय. ना जाल्यार आमी वी विल टेक नेसेसरी एक्शन्स. And the thing is, we have to take care of our taxi drivers who are not on Goa miles. These people have to be given benefited. Everybody has to be united. If the services are there, not more than 1 rupee from the service. Nothing more than 1 rupee. 40 रुपये घेवन 25 रुपयान करपाचें. हें आतां नेक्स्ट एमिशन येयला आतां. So I'm expecting you all guys to help me out in this, and we can help make Goa a better place. Let's do better for Goa. Thank you guys. Good night.